Your garden hose is going to leak in one of two places, either at the ends or in the middle, and today I'm going to show you how to repair it. For a leak at one of the ends of the hose, you've got two options for fixing this. The easiest way is to replace the rubber washer, but if that doesn't work, you will need to cut off the existing end and install a new one. Trim off the leaky hose end using a utility knife, keeping your cut as straight as possible. Take the coupling with you to your local hardware store to use as a reference for buying the right size clamp. Slide a screw clamp over the hose, push the new fitting into the hose, and then tighten the clamp over top of the coupling. Now let's say you have a split in the middle. You left a kink in it over the winter, or your uncle hit it with a lawn dart. Garbage, right? No. Grab yourself a connector from the hardware store that fits inside of your hose, or even a scrap piece of copper pipe that's lying around that's about 2 inches long. Cut the bad section out, then, once again, slide a screw clamp over each end and then center your repair coupling in the middle. Tighten down the clamps and your hose is good for another few years.